today we are talking about some unconventional Christmas palettes. So let's start with the easier designs, I want to say. M167. So we are going to have to deconstruct the stamp, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Now the colors in the set is Indio, Alocasia, and Cozy. These colors, when you look at them, you don't automatically think Christmas, but I'm going to show you how you can make this Christmassy. And then we're going to add some trees in here. When we add it, we're going to use our Indio color. So now we're going to go ahead and just remove all the bits that we already stamped. And this is what our first design looks like. And I think it came out pretty cute. It's a very mature color combination. It's for the person who likes minimalist designs. The next one we're gonna do is a really bright combo. And the next plate that we need to use is M340. And then we're gonna reverse color all the fun details. all of it is reverse stamping. That is going to be the fun part with all of this. Everything is going to be reverse stamped. I think that this color combination makes a lot of sense for Christmas, but I've also seen it for Halloween and like evil villains. Since everything is so bright, I want to pair cold colors with warm colors because there's going to be more contrast. The art is going to look nice and vibrant, and that's what we're going for. If you're curious to know why I didn't do like red, gold, and white, because you guys could already think of that. I wanted to give you some color palettes that were maybe a bit more non-traditional, so you guys could play around with some other fun aesthetic nails. And that's what this design looks like. A nice, fun, bright Christmas. Right, this was so fun. The next one we're gonna do, they all have like some sort of special effect. So now we're just gonna individually stamp each of these snowflakes. This way that I'm doing it now, I don't technically need a sticky base coat. I could just pick up the design and stamp it directly on. However, some of the things that I did, specifically this design, because I broke things apart in the way that I did, the nail foil glue works very well, because I just have to apply it one time and then it just stays sticky the entire time I'm working on the design, and then I can go back and, start adding in whatever I want. But this is also another good lesson of why it's important to learn how to deconstruct a stamp. If I have a smaller nail, I'm not going to get all of this stuff and all of these details, but because I do know how to deconstruct a stamp, I'm able to take the pieces that I want and still make it work on my smaller nail. And then that's what it looks like. And it's not that hard at all, it just takes a little bit of time. And why do we want ordinary easy nails when we can be stunning?